Yawa Xóchitl.
When I think about wildness in technology, especially in computing, I'm really intrigued by the fact that these systems that I discovered are limited at the speed of a natural speed. The chaotic and the wild element comes from the materiality itself.
So with wilding, we're thinking about how can we like open up the black box and like make it glitchy again and make it do things that are unexpected.
What if we understand it as an open pathway in a different direction, not just reproducing what we already know, good and bad?
Throughout history, we've learned all sorts of ways to conquer turbulence so then we could control it. So I'm trying to reverse this process so that we could give voice to all sorts of intricacies. And as a musician that feels like I'm performing with something that's alive,